Okay, we just made it. Um, Creepy places. So this is a bathroom. Okay. That's a yellow door. A boy. This white the door. This a girl. Some bathroom. Boom. The chairs is creepy. Let's go there. Time. It's open. Is locked. But then there is a open the door. Let's go. Oh shit. The Ernie Legend, Ghost, Monster, Skywalker, everything is gonna eat me. Man, that bed is creepy. And then also chairs and bed. That's, I don't know. Kinda creepy. Shit. There is a snake? There's a snake or not? I don't know that there is a snake. I don't want to go there to the bathroom. It's very scary. There is a monster. Hello? Boy, I'm scary. I scared. I don't want to go there. So there's the people. I saw there. So creepy here. Oh God. People just saw me. Saw me. It's a girl. He's gonna tell the guard. So let's finish the video. I think this is 43 minutes later. It's a so far to my home. Let's go there to my school. Let's go. Hello, cat. Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you go to Mass Haunted Place School stage? Oh, I saw in the cat again. Okay, let's go there. Okay, we just made it, but no everyone is here. No teachers here. No guard is here. But there is a builder. This is my school. Okay. Okay, so this makes me creepy. There is no people, no everyone. That's a bathroom. Bathroom. A bathroom woman. So there is some bottle Sprite. Bottle Sprite. Okay, bottle. That's. It hit my shoulder to that door. Oh God, no. Oh, here we go. So let's open this. Oh, that's my name, right? That's my name. Cider is dead. What? Who did the drawing? I didn't drawing here. So that's my so creepy here. The two boys, mini boys here, is gonna cut me. Oh, drawing. Find me. Find cider. I did drawing. So this is my classroom. Okay, it's really kind of creepy here. This one not here. I saw the cat there. Boys in this saw me. This is bathroom, boy. What happened here? This is canteen. Just get the food that recess. I mean snack time. That we go canteen. That gate is open. The door. Did you see that? Is open. The boy that open. The boy that come in there. Oh, there's the teachers. That's teacher's motor. Um, motorcycle. Like, okay, we just go upstairs. Do you hear it? He's not ghost the sound. Do you hear it? Not the ghost sound. Not the voice, no talking. It's a chin sound, like a cut a tree chin sound. Not the bro, did you hear it? I watched that turn off the video this upstairs. I sound there is somebody there. No everyone there. It is look like ball. The mountain ball. The sound it giant just it look like the boop 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 like I think like I run away. So I was run away. The sound that it sounded pop. I run away. Not the voice. So let's go back there. There is a ghost. Okay. There is no somebody. There is a somebody there. Then I was to run away. I just hear it. Before this, I hear it. I was to hear it there upstairs like ball pushing the door. Like I never run away. I hear it the ball and push the door. After the push the door, I never run away. Like I was stay here. I not go there and there. There I was stay there. So let's talking. Hello, are you a ghost or a Skywalker monster? Is this real? Oh my god, it's real as shit. Gosh. Oh, sounded to be there. I scared the shit. Let's go there. Hello? Is that ghost voice? Not that there is outside. Oh, singing the boy. Hello? Are your ghost still? I want to run away, so my jacket is sweaty. My t-shirt is sweaty. I can't believe that there is a ghost, a monster, Skywalker, monster, ghost, everything. This creature here. Oh, so creepy. Okay, let's story about it. I was to stay there. I off the video. They just stay there. The ball is here. The sound there. The ball is there. She's scary. Can go away there. The sound. Push the door there. The push. After the push the door and you run away there. Run away so fast there over there. I scared of there. So let's go. There is no ghost.